Relax, stay in your lane, leave people alone. Don't buy a car and a chain when you don't have a home. Don't worry about having a lot of friends, you only need one. Pussy is cool, what's better is making a dream come. Value your time, value your health, value your freedom. Fuck where you got your degree from. Let me put you on game. Don't listen to people who lose or you'll do the same. Stop talking to people who don't give a fuck what you saying. Stop spending your money on weed, go hop on a plane. Stop pointing the finger and start taking some of the blame. Let me put you on game. Control your emotions, most of the time it's really not worth it. Don't be ashamed and beat yourself up for not being perfect. Don't be entitled, the world doesn't care if you think you deserve it. Don't fall in love with someone until you know what's beneath the surface. Protect your space, people are energy vampires. Once you get burnt, don't put your hand back in the damn fire. Fuck the potential, you should assume they're not gonna change. You know it's okay to cut people off, don't be afraid. Let me put you on game. Don't listen to people who lose or you'll do the same. Stop talking to people who don't give a fuck what you saying. Stop spending your money on weed, go hop on a plane. Stop pointing the finger and start taking some of the blame. Let me put you on game. Pay all your taxes, you know the government's really a game. If you gotta pick one, go for the money, don't go for the fame. Call up your mom, tell her you love her before it's too late. Call up your dad, tell him you love him before it's too late. Become who you want, don't be a slave to the person you were. Think for yourself, don't be a sheep and get lost in the herd. Believe what you see, you gotta be dumb to believe what you heard. Don't double back on your word. Let me put you on game. Don't listen to people who lose or you'll do the same. Talking to people who don't give a fuck what you saying. Stop spending your money on weed.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Let's go. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Clean Conscious, what's up, man? Nah, man, you just want to give away Clean Conscious, man. You just won $350. Abdul, what's up, man? Steadfast, James, Lee, Jaden, Golden Granny, what's up? Rhea, Lexus, Shay, what's good, brother? Paris, Sean, another giveaway winner. Y'all taking all my money, man. Jordan, Jaden, Quinn, Shay, let's go, man. Big night tonight. You guys know the vibes, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, you guys. Alrighty. Let's get it. Today is Sunday, February 18th. Let's get it. Yes, so the market is closed tomorrow. Tomorrow's February 19th. But I have some things going on tomorrow, so that's why I'm doing the live tonight. Tonight we're going to be doing a few things. Most importantly, we're doing a watch list, market analysis, everything as usual. We'll also be finishing the 50K giveaway from Instagram. I hit a huge milestone. We've given away a gaming console already. $100, $250, $500. And that same night on the Instagram live, gave out another like 400 total. Between last Sunday and today, I've given away like $1,500. Tonight we're going to do more cash giveaways, as you guys know. Every time we crush the like goal at the bottom, that's a giveaway. But tonight, everything as usual. We're going to go over the market, of course, watch list, of course, and then we're going to pick one lucky winner to win mentorship. Not only will you win the mentorship, but after the mentorship, I will fund your account. Okay? You can send me your wire instructions. It will be there the next day or that same day, depending on how early I get it, to your account. Alright? So one lucky winner tonight for a mentorship. Excuse Turbo. Let me grab this real quick, because if not, he's going to drive y'all crazy. He's going to drive me crazy. He's got his new little ball, and he is having the time of his life. So if he does it again, I'll grab him. If not, we're good. But yeah, that's how tonight's going to go. Got a question for you guys, though. What do you want to do first? You want to get the giveaway out of the way? You want to do the watch list first? I want to see where everybody's head's at. I know 99% of you guys are here for the watch list, hopefully. So we'll see. But I know a majority of you guys are probably here just for the giveaway, which I'm cool with. I would be too. But we'll see. I swear, guys, I did not mean to do this. I know I'm wearing a lot of orange. I'm drinking fucking orange. Orange is not my favorite color. My lights are orange. I don't know how this happened. I really don't. My favorite color is purple. I have an orange shirt. I have an orange hat. I have an orange bottle. My lights are orange. I really don't know how this happened. I promise you, I do not. I'm not a fan of orange. In fact, I hate orange. I don't know why I'm wearing this. I don't know why the bottle's orange. I don't know. I don't know. That's not my favorite color. Watch list first. Hey man, I'm all for it. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, just run it back one more time. You guys know every time we crush that like counter, it's down in the bottom down here. It's a giveaway. One lucky winner at the end. You guys chose it. In order to win, you have to be here, right? You have to be here. I want to make this very clear. If late joiners, they don't listen to this right now, so what? They should have been here, right? You have to be here, right? You have 30 seconds, right? So I will give you guys a heads up before we do the giveaway. I'll say, hey guys, we're getting ready to do the mentorship giveaway. You have 30 seconds. I don't want to sit here all night waiting for somebody to respond when they should be here, right? Like I stated on Instagram Live the other day. If I enter a giveaway to win something, I'm going to show up on time. I'm going to be there patiently until it's done. So if I win, hey, I won. I'm here to claim my prize. That's how it should work, right? It's a mutual respect. I'm taking time out of my day. That's a mutual respect, right? So that's what we're going to do here. I'll give you guys a heads up. Like I said, if your name gets called, you have 30 seconds. Same thing with the regular giveaways with the likes. You know, when I enter your name and you get selected, you have 30 seconds. Same rules apply. All right. If not, we're on to the next person. We don't have all time to, waste on one person. Right. Yeah, man. Let's have a great night as always. Let me pull up this zoomed in screen here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Yep. Let's get it. Alrighty, first things first, as always, let's check out this economic calendar for the week ahead. First things first here. Let me zoom in. I know it's a little bit difficult on your guys' end. Alrighty. Everybody good to go? Everybody can see? Can we get a little visual check real quick? Want to make sure everybody's good to go. Great question. Master Minhu, I want to say, said, what if we're already a mentee? If you're already a mentee, I'm going to give you straight up cash and we'll figure something else out. All right. So I'll make sure it's the same value. All right. I'll make sure it's the same. If you're a mentee, what I'll do is all expenses paid, next mentee meetup, and I'll give you cash. I think that's pretty fair, right? I think that's pretty fair. Alright, let's go ahead and get it, guys. So, like I stated, Monday is a holiday. Market is closed tomorrow. Futures are open, though. For anybody who's trading futures, futures are open. But tomorrow, stock market is closed, right? So, market will be opening again on Tuesday, February 20th. In terms of economic data, right? Nothing too extravagant this week, but we do have a few key points starting on Wednesday. That's going to be FOMC minutes. And just to reiterate, FOMC minutes is not the same thing as FOMC, right? FOMC minutes is a closed door meeting. It's a press release, right? So it's very simple. Not the same thing as FOMC, but it does have credibility, right? Usually does cause some volatility. So keep an eye out for that. Next, Thursday, we always have jobless claims. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have PMI. That's going to be at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have existing home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the 2 big days this week are going to be Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, followed on Thursday. We have jobless claims, 8:30 a.m., PMI, 9:45 a.m., 10 o'clock a.m., existing home sales. All right, so Wednesday, Thursday, big days here. Friday, we're good to go. All right, so nothing on Friday, we're good there. Nothing too off the wall either, right? This is not like market shifting data, but it is important, right? It is important. And while we're here, actually, I want to go over this earnings calendar before we get into the chart. So give me 1 second here. We have some very decent names this week. Last time I checked, I think so. I think we have a few decent names. Yes, we do. So this is the earnings calendar for the week ahead. I want to go over and cover this with you guys real quick. A couple names I'm watching. I love Walmart. I love Home Depot. These are very liquid names that we can trade. These are the first two I'm going to be watching. Tuesday before market open. Um, Tuesday after close, we have Palo, I'm going to say. This is a fun name to trade. Big mover. After that, before open Wednesday, nothing. Big name reporting Wednesday after close. That's going to be Nvidia. This can be pretty much all eyes on Nvidia this week. We also have Etsy. Etsy's a fun one to trade. Thursday before open, we have Moderna, mRNA. Thursday after close, we have Square. It's blocked now. And yeah, so we have a pretty interesting earnings week. You guys know I love when we have earnings weeks like this. Every single one of these names, being Walmart, Home Depot, Palo, Nvidia, Etsy, Moderna, SQ, we have, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potential A+ setups, right? So this is why I love earning setups. You have a proper catalyst, you get that big gap up, that big gap down. We could take the second day bounce, second day reject, second day breakout. Creates a very nice high probability A+ setup. So we have multiple post-earning setups this week, specifically Nvidia, Moderna, Square, Walmart, Home Depot. Those are my favorites. Nvidia's being my top favorite. And yeah, man, we have a great week ahead for this earnings calendar. Definitely should get some value from this. But yeah, we'll get it. Let's get it. Alrighty. Let's hop into the chart now, y'all. We'll start with ES since we're already here. Let's go to these higher time frames. We'll go ahead and zoom out real quick. Just so we're on the same page, everybody can see. And actually, we have a giveaway in the works here. So let's go ahead and get this thing rocking and rolling. You guys crushed the 125 goal. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started before we do this. So next target's going to be 250. Let's go ahead and get this giveaway rolling. The first one's going to be 125. In order to enter, all you have to do is type 125 in the chat one time, and that is it. So you'll see my name will pop up here. We'll do this first giveaway for hitting 125 likes, and then we'll get into the watch list. Let's get it. I'm the first one entered here, as you can see. I'll give you everybody about 30 seconds for this, and we'll get to it. I'm going to take a drink of water. Give me a second. Alrighty, everybody. Good luck. This is the first giveaway of the night. Good luck. Let's see what we got here. Let's see who we got here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Terra Nay? Please, if you guys win this giveaway here, type within 30 seconds. Please, make it easy on all of us. Terra Nay is the first picked tonight. Terra Nay. I know there's a delay, so I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds. I know there is a little delay. Terra Nay, where are you at? Terra Nay. I know there's a little delay, so I'm going to give it a second. Alright, there we go. Here. Awesome. Here, 125. Okay, cool. First official winner of the night, Terra Nay. Let's get it. Awesome. Alrighty, back to the charts we go. Next giveaway at 250 likes. So if you haven't, be sure to smack that like button. Helps me and you out. Let's get it. Alright, first things first here, ES. This is the monthly time frame. Still intact. Pretty much looks the same as it did last time we covered it. Chart is very simple, right? And I say this every time I see this chart. It's kind of like a PTSD on how much I missed, right? But it is what it is. I definitely could have done things a lot better in 2023, working on them in 2024. But yeah, chart's extremely strong here. in my opinion, I really don't see much more upside. I really don't. I think we see another at least 1 to 3% pullback before we go any higher. That's just my personal opinion. That doesn't mean I'm bearish, doesn't mean I'm bullish. In terms of this chart, I say we need at least a 1-3% pullback before anything, right? A retest of these previous all-time highs, I think this is 4,800. That would be beautiful, right? That would be beautiful. If we were able to pull back into this demand here, that would be absolutely amazing, but that's asking for a lot, so we'll see. Monthly chart, not a fan of, really. Not much volume here this month. We're about halfway through. We're trading about 17 million compared to the previous month. It's not looking good. Low volume on this candle, definitely. Weekly chart, I feel like last week said a lot. Last week definitely said a lot. One important note here about last week is this candle here at one point in time was fully red, right? And if you look at it, how it closed, we pretty much closed 75% of the way back up, right? Pretty much closed 75% of the way back up. So buyers definitely stepped in towards the end of the week there. Even though we did see some weakness on Friday, you guys can see we broke that previous week's low and just kind of reclaimed. Weekly chart, I would say looks pretty strong still, to be honest. But yeah, like I said, the ultimate pullback would be back in this 4,800 level, this previous all-time high retest. If we pull back into 4,800, that's just a no-brainer. For one, we could take an intraday bounce. Two, we could swing calls off of 4,800, 1,000%. Next level after that would be obviously 4,600, and we'll go over the same levels on SPY. But yeah, daily chart. This is where the fun begins, right? As you guys seen, we covered the monthly. Monthly was intact. Weekly's intact. The bearish divergence here is absolutely insane, right? We kind of broke it on the weekly, but the bearish divergence here on the daily time frame is absolutely nuts, right? You can see the stock continue to push new highs, but the RSI continued to make lower highs, right? Now, what I want to talk about is specifically these last week, right? Last week, right, we made a high, right? We pulled back, put in a higher low, pushed back into these highs, and then we failed them, right? So this is a potential lower high, right? In order for us to say, hey, okay, it's confirmed reversal, we need to see a lower low. In order to do that, we have to break this previous structure. So as of now, all of these time frames are still intact in terms of uptrend, but we're seeing our first insight at a reversal here with this potential lower high, right? Call it double top, failure to go higher, whatever you want to call it, right? But this is our first hint at a potential reversal. If we break this recent higher low and put in a lower low to pair with this lower high, that would confirm a reversal, and we'd also break this uptrend here, right? So that's what I would look forward to in terms of the downside. Upside, like I said, I could be wrong for thinking this. I don't feel, I don't want to trade the upside, right? I don't feel like there would be much value there, right? And you can see here, ES has just been trading in a massive channel. We have the starting point, connector, third touch would push us back into these all-time highs. Just created that double top, that failure to go higher. And as you can see now, this is just a double top, right? It's just a double top here. So the ultimate line in the sand, I mean, it's just a tough chart. It's a tough chart. We need to see a lot more confirmation in terms of the downside. But what I would watch here on ES moving forward, if you're trading futures, I actually like this a lot. If this happened tonight or tomorrow, I would definitely take it. As you guys can see here, we have an extremely strong level at 50.12. If we can get below that, I definitely think we'll trade back into this 5,000. Below 5,000, we got 49.70. So that's definitely valid, right? That's definitely valid at 50.12. But the main watch is mostly, it'll be two things, right? One is if we push back into these daily highs at 50.65, 50.70, I'm going to look for a reject. That's first and foremost. And if we get extremely weak somehow, I'm going to look for a relief bounce off this 49.40, 49.20 area. Anything in between, not super interested besides that 50.12 level. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you guys can see here, it's just a classic double top, failure to go higher. This is our first insight at a potential reversal. We have a lower high here from this previous high, but you know, there's a lot more work that needs to be done to confirm a reversal to the downside here. But it looks good. Looks good. I mean, I think it looks good in my opinion. We just need to, you know, move. That's pretty much it. We just need to move. But yeah, that's what I'm watching on ES. Let's hop over to NQ now. NQ. Let's go to this higher time frame. See how we look. Now, I like this chart a bit more. And I just want to ask you guys a question. Who remembers when I talked about, I kind of just want to look in the mirror and slap myself in the face like 20 times. Because if you attended any Sunday live from this period here, every single Sunday live, I literally preached about this bull flag and this cup and handle, and I didn't trade it. That was probably the dumbest shit I've done this far as a trader. Right? And I say that to say this. Even me being an experienced trader, sometimes I hesitate. Sometimes I second guess myself, right? And this one, it goes back to trading what you're seeing and not what you think, right? If you guys remember, during these times when I was doing lives back here during this flag, every single live I said, this bull flag's probably going to break out. This bull flag is probably going to break out. We should probably swing calls here. And I just I was overthinking. I was overanalyzing it. I was just got in my own head. I was letting the news get to me. I was letting everybody else get to me. You know, I can make a million excuses. At the end of the day, I didn't stick to my plan, right? And I just want to show you guys that even, 5 years in, I still deal with those same struggles, right? It's a continuous process. Like, you're never going to be perfect. You just got to be proactive, right? That's most important, right? Most important. But yeah, I mean, this monthly time frame here, I like a little bit more in terms of the downside, because if you look here, right, we're starting to show some weakness. Got a nice little top wick here on the weekly for QQQ with nice rising volume in terms of the downside. Weekly chart, I mean, it's similar. I mean, every time we've seen a red candle in the past, pretty much this area here, every red candle's been followed up by a rip, right? So I'm excited to see what we do this week. I think that's going to be the tell-all. If we break that previous week's low, I think we'll see this previous pivot. But, we'll see. We'll see. I think the bearish divergence is still intact here. Yep, still intact. Got this RSI making a lower high. My stock's making a higher high. So bearish divergence still intact there. Daily, absolutely insane bearish divergence, as you can see. This is massive. RSI is continuing to make lower highs. My stock's continuing to make higher highs. That's very evident. Hourly time frame, if you guys look here, we are sitting on this massive uptrend. This is the definition of an insanely strong trend line. You got the starting point back here, second touch, third touch, fourth, fifth, sixth, technically 7, 8. Here we are testing it for the 9th time, and every single time we've tested this, absolute rip. So this is why I was saying earlier, I like QQQ a lot more to the downside if we can flip here, right? Because right now we're testing this big uptrend trendline support. That's number one, right? Number two is we have this daily high here, right? We've created a double top, right? Essentially a failure to go higher. We've put in a lower high, right? We have a lower high here below the previous high, right? Now, if we can break this uptrend trendline support and break this previous low, that'll be paired with a lower low, and that'll confirm a reversal here to the downside, right? So this chart looks much better in my opinion, and it's much weaker than SPY based off those factors I just gave you, right? So the ultimate level here in terms of NQ is going to be 17,700, right? This is that previous structure here that's held for some time, 17,700. It's also that uptrend trendline support. So if we can get a clean break and hold below 17,700, I definitely would look for a short position down into 17,550. Below that, it's lights out down into 17,200. So I think the value definitely would be there if we got weak here on NQ and QQQ, right? Now, my second watch would be if we hold this trend line and happen to push back into highs, I would be a little concerned, but I would be open to a reject off this 18,000 level, right? And if, say, some random case, right, we just blow the top off, right? I mean, above 18,000, these daily highs, I think we can continue ripping higher into 19,000, right? But I just wouldn't be as confident because knowing who I am as a trader, I'm not the best at trading at all-time highs, right? My mentees know that about me. I just struggle trading at all-time highs. That's why if you guys are on my Instagram subscription, or if you guys are my mentee, or if you're in Honey Drip and you see my watch list, if you go look at my watch list lately, they've been relative names, right? Like Coin was a big one we traded, big one we swung too. Tesla, Affirm we traded for a while, right? I just rotated out of these names that were trading at all-time highs because I know that's not my strength. And I say that to say this is it's very important to understand who you are as a trader so you can trade according to who you are, right? So that way you have your strengths dialed in, you have your weaknesses, and you're aware of your weaknesses so you can either work on them or stay away from them until you make them strengths. And that's the name of the game, right? That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. I know I'm missing some comments here, so let me go ahead and look through them real quick. Let me look through them here. Yeah, Nvidia will be huge. Nvidia will be huge. It surpassed the market cap of Microsoft. Like, that's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. And wow, you guys crushed the next light goal. That's absolutely insane. You guys crushed the next light goal. That's absolutely insane. So we got a giveaway coming up. After we do QQQ and SPY, we'll go into the next giveaway. So right now, I owe you guys one giveaway. We have one winner on the night so far. That's going to be Tara Nay. But I owe you guys another one. After we do QQQ and SPY, we'll hop into it. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty, since we're already on NQ, let's hop into QQQ, see what we got here. We pretty much just covered that same chart with NQ. You guys can see here, very, very simple. Double top, failure to go higher. We just put in this potential lower high here. Level that I was watching on NQ correlates to 425 on QQQ, right? So if we can break and hold below 425 on QQQ, that'll break that massive uptrend. I 100% would be confident going short, and I'll target this 416 area and then 411, 413. I really want to touch on this 411, 413 demand. This is that previous all-time high resistance turned support. As you guys can see back here, this was a major resistance that is now broken and is now demand, right? So if we pull back into this 411, 413, I will take a relief bounce there. This is a risk on setup for me, and I would be interested in swinging calls off of 411, 413 with a stop loss below 410. That is my game plan on QQQ moving forward, 100%, right? Now, upside, I'm not too interested in, as I stated, but in the case we hold this uptrend and we push back into highs, we can watch this 439, 440 for a reject first and foremost. In the case we get strong above 440, you can look for those high risk long entries. But the main watch is going to be obviously that 425 level down into that 413, 411 where we can take that risk on swing. And yeah, that's what I love there. That's what I love there. You guys can see, just look at this. Look at the strength of this level. Right? That's that previous all-time high resistance. If we happen to pull back into 411, 413, no-brainer, bounce, swing. Point blank, period. Right? Very, very simple. Let's see what we got here. I think the expert set way too high. Yeah, I think so too. I think Nvidia, man. I'm not a buyer up here. I'm not gonna buy it long term. I mean, is anybody gonna? Would any of you guys look at this chart right here on Nvidia and say, "Hey, I want to be a long-term buyer," or "I want to be a buyer"? Period. Right? Let's just take a good look at this chart real quick. Who wants to be a buyer on Nvidia up here? Let's be realistic. Right? Let's be realistic. Who wants to be a buyer up here? We haven't even consolidated. Right? From this last expansion, we're up over 57%. It's sitting at a $1.8 trillion market cap. Right? It's trading, I think, like 100 times the earnings. That's absolutely insane. No one wants to be a buyer up here. I'm not saying short it, right? We have earnings coming in, right? But after earnings, if we pop it all, I think it's a great short, right? Listen to me. If earnings comes out and Nvidia is strong and it continues to go higher, short the motherfucker, period, right? But if it dumps, stay away from it. I'm just saying, if it goes higher, I mean, it's a no-brainer into that 800 level. Yeah, I mean, it's just insane. Parabolic, just like SMCI, right? We caught this whole move. I thought I was a whack job, right? Listen to me. Sorry, we're getting a little distracted here, but this is the dumbest / smartest trade I've taken in a while. I shorted SMCI here. I bought one contract at 340, I think. I posted it for Honey Drip. I posted it for my mentees as well. I said, hey guys, I'm buying a 950 put for 315. I clicked on it, I bought it. I said, hey guys, this is kind of expensive. I thought it was 650 bucks, right? After the market closes, I pull up my Webull. I notice I'm missing like 10K in capital, right? I had a couple other positions open, but I noticed the contract I bought on SMCI was 6,500 bucks. One contract. I had one contract was 6,500 bucks. So I was like, oh fuck. And then pre-market happens. I look at the chart and it's gapped up $80, right? Market opens, I'm down 2.5K. Right? And if you guys remember on live on Friday, I was like, oh, fuck. I was like, I'm down 2.5K. I'm just going to hold for a second, keep a stop above pre-market high. Next thing you know, this thing absolutely lost its bottom. Those contracts went from 6.5K all the way up to 14K in a matter of 15 minutes. It was just absolutely nuts. Like this move right here, I sold way too early. I sold, I think, like right around here. I sold at like 9.75. I made 3K on it. That's where I posted on Friday. I made 3K on this. But if I would have held for another 10 minutes, I would have made 14K, period. I think the high on the contract was like 17. Down here, the contracts, I think I went to like 17 or 20K. One contract was 20K. It's absolutely insane. But that's why I say I was the luckiest and dumbest trade I probably take. There was no reason to really short it outside of the 11,000 level, and it was just extremely extended. I told everybody that too. I was like, I don't, this could be a flop. You know what I mean? I mean, just look at the chart. It was just parabolic, but I didn't think it was going to break that 1,000 level, and it didn't, right? I mean, it broke it pre-market, but it failed it immediately after. It's absolutely insane, though. All right, let's get into SPY here. Absolutely love this chart. A lot cleaner than ES. Like I said, these higher time frames are a little concerning, but I love this hourly time frame, specifically on SPY. You guys can see here, this is just a beautiful double top. Little failure to go higher here. Beautiful, beautiful chart. Game plan here on SPY is two things. First is if we pop back in this 502.50, 503.50 area, we can look for a short position there with a stop above 504. My other watch is going to be below 498 right now. I'm saying this now. Market's probably going to be lower than that, but I love this 498 level, right? It's high risk, but the main watch here is obviously going to be a break of this uptrend, right? So if we get below 495, we can look for short entries below 495 down into 490. As you guys can see here, this 490 is a massive, massive, massive demand, right? So the game plan is look to go short below 495 once we break that uptrend, and then look to flip long down here at this 490, 491 area for a relief bounce. That's the game plan here on SPY, right? Very simple, nothing crazy. We just need to move pretty much. That's it. Just need to move. But alrighty, we just went over QQQ. We just went over SPY. I owe you guys a giveaway, so let's go ahead and get into it. Give me 1 second here. Bada bing, bada boom. I think it was 250. That's going to be the command. Let me go ahead and clean this real quick. It's going to be 250. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds here. And yeah, good luck to everybody. I technically don't have a Discord. I mean, I do obviously have a Discord, but it's only for my mentees. It's not public at all. Alrighty, let's get it, guys. Good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Second giveaway of the night. First winner was Tara Nay. Another 10 seconds here, and we'll rock out. And I'm going to add a stipulation to this giveaway. If you don't have at least 2 previous lives, you had to attend at least 2 previous lives to win. Because I had a winner, not this live, but the last live. It was their first time showing up, and I'm all for it, right? I'm all for it. But I think it's... I'll let you guys decide, right? I'll let you guys decide. All right, good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. All you have to do is type it one time. That's it. You don't need to spam it. Good luck to everybody. If I win, everybody has to send me $1. Just a heads up. Mr. Moose, congratulations, man. Please type in the chat within the next 25 seconds. Please and thank you. The quicker you type, the quicker we can move on. The next class, it's going to be actually starting very soon. I haven't done a class in a while, but I'm going to open the waitlist very soon. Let me see. Here, a link should pop up in a second. Let me see. Mr. Moose, alrighty, good to go. Just typed here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's get it. All right, back to the charts. I just pinned the message if you're interested in my mentorship. There you go. 1 second. I'm going to create a code just for this live. It's now. Alright. Give me 1 second. We're going to go over the watch list now. There we go. Alrighty, back to the charts. First things first here. First things first. Let's get it. Roku. Before you guys cuss me out, Roku's been good to us in 2024. Right? It's been good to us in 2024. It's been good to us in 2024. So before you guys start cussing me out, it's been good to us. Alright? It's been good to us. So, Roku. Beautiful chart. Right? As you guys can see here, extremely weak after that earnings report. Daily chart's absolutely beautiful. You guys can see we just cleared this massive structure at 79 to 80, sitting right above this daily gap fill. So Roku, what I'm going to watch here is two things, right? One is if we get weak below 69.20, I'm going to look for a short position for this daily gap fill down in the 60. That's my main watch. Now, in the case we get strong again, right? I'm going to watch a pop back in a 76 or 80 for a reject on Roku. All right? So this is a post-earnings setup, looking for a breaking hold below 69 to go short down into 60, or a pop back into 76 or 80 for a short position off of that supply. And that's going to be the game plan here with Roku. And hopefully it doesn't make us go Broku. Someone was asking about a shirt they won. Everybody's been sent. Everybody's been sent, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not trying to post everybody's address, but I think Dom sent everything. Lawrence, Michael Hansen, and Raul. I think there might be one more I was waiting on. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But anybody who's won a giveaway from me, type in the chat. I mean, I can show you guys actually. Fuck that. Let me see. I don't bullshit. Let me show you guys something. One thing I don't do, you guys will realize quick. Let me show y'all something. Show y'all a little something. Bada bing, bada boom. Give me 1 second here. This is just from the past 2 weeks. Now you guys gotta imagine, right? I've been doing giveaways for the past 4 years, but this is just in the past 2 weeks. Just in the past 2 weeks, right? This was just from the Instagram live. There was a bunch of 50-50s, 380 winner, 25, 50-50, clean conscious, won 330 for the likes. You know, that's one thing I don't do. Davion Henderson was the last mentorship winner. If he's in here, he can attest to that. Desiree, that's because you won the console. That's one. Did you message me back on Instagram? Jarset? I'll have to go back and look. Your name doesn't look very familiar, but I'll go back and look. I thought we got everybody. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Alrighty, let's get it. Tesla. Where we at? Bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful chart. And guess what? We caught this. Right? If you guys remember, I posted about this inverted head and shoulders last week, and this was about a 300% trade. Absolutely beautiful. Who caught Tesla with me last week? We literally caught this whole move. This was just so beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful chart. We entered Tesla calls right here. Beautiful move. Anyway, reason I'm watching Tesla this week, right? As you guys can see here, we cleared a massive, massive, massive structure at 195, 196. And as you guys can see here, we're starting to flag back into it. So on Tesla, what I'm going to watch is a pullback into this 195, 196 for this break and retest. I'm going to look for a long entry in that demand. And in the case Tesla continues to show strength above Friday's highs at 206, we can look for a break and hold to go long back in this 210, 212 area. That's the game plan here on Tesla. Beautiful, beautiful chart. And I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, you could even consider this now a cup and handle, right? You have the cup part, and we're starting to form this handle. So you could even consider it a cup and handle. Damn, Sean Marshall, you caught 1,000% on Tesla? Holy shit. And going even further than that, I signaled SPY calls at 490. Literally at the bottom here. It's beautiful. Man, last week was an amazing trading week. Like an amazing trading week. And I love when we have price action like that, but it also gives me FOMO. I made a little bit over 20K last week, but I just know I could have done a lot better. I just wasn't aggressive enough, and that's something I'm working on. I haven't traded with like real size for who I am as a trader in a long time. I've been stuck at the same position size, and every time I try to scale up, I just get nerve-wracked. Took a big loss towards the end of 2023, so it's been hard. It's been hard. Anyway, back to the chart here. We got Amazon. Let's go. Amazon. Daily chart's pretty here. As you guys can see, we just traded back into this major supply at 172. Big gap up off of earnings. Now we have this beautiful gap fill below. This is going to be a very nice setup. I love Amazon for two things, right? First thing is if we break and hold below 166, I'm going to look for a short entry down to 162, 160 at this daily break and retest, or we can look for a long entry off this demand at 160, 162 for a move back into 166. That is the game plan on Amazon. Very, very simple here. Look to go short below 166. Look for the daily gap fill down into 162. Look to flip long in that 160, 162 demand if we show strength. That's the game plan there. As you guys can see, this is extremely strong structure. And yeah, that's what I'm watching. If you wanted a higher risk entry, let's say, for example, Amazon holds this demand, right? Holds this demand and gets strong. We can look for a long entry back above 172.40. You guys can see that this level here is extremely credible. Held up as resistance for quite some time, even as support. If we get a break and hold above 172.40, if we get strong, I would definitely look for a long entry back into 175. I think that'd be valid. Very, very valid. Very, very valid. And last name I'm watching here is Microsoft. Microsoft, I like for a short entry as well. If you guys look at this chart here, it's a perfect little drop base. You guys can see we have a nice drop. Excuse me. We have a nice little drop forming a beautiful base above this 403 level. You guys can see this is a very credible level of support. Held for some time now. Beautiful support, and support, right? So what do we do when we have a great level of support? Two things. We can look for a hold for a long entry, or we can look for a break and hold below for a short entry, right? So the game plan here on Microsoft is if we get very weak, look for a break and hold below 403. We have nothing but room down into this 396, 393 area, right? So game plan on Microsoft is look for a break and hold below 403, preferably a retest, go short, target that 400 for the first trim, 397 for our final target. Beautiful chart here. Also is forming a nice head and shoulders. Just noticed that. It's forming a nice little head and shoulders here. You guys look, we have the left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder. I just noticed that. It's a beautiful pattern here. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful pattern. And yeah, that's what I'm watching for the week ahead, guys. Watching Roku, Tesla, Amazon, and Microsoft. I also want to keep TTD on Sidewatch. This is Trade Desk. What I'm watching here on Trade Desk is if we pull back, I'm watching this 80 to 79 area for a demand bounce. All right. As you guys can see here, this was a very credible structure. Held as resistance there, big gap over it off of earnings. So if TTD happens to pull back into this 80, 79 area, definitely would look to take a long entry there for a nice little relief bounce, right? That's what I would watch here on TTD. 9:45, guys. Been on here for about 45 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Anything else? Alrighty. So, you guys ready for the giveaway? Someone's gonna win the mentorship and some. Let's get it. Take a couple seconds here. Make sure everybody's ready. I'm gonna go over the rules one more time. All right. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Give me 1 second here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Coin I'll cover as well. Just give me a second. Alrighty. So, let's do the damn thing, alright? Should I go live on Instagram as well? What do you guys think? Should I go live on Instagram as well? Or should I just do YouTube? Because that means I have to hold my camera too, and I don't feel like holding it. Alright, let's see here. Alrighty. Let's get it. We haven't hit 375 yet, man. Why y'all spamming 375? Have we hit it? I don't think so. No, we haven't hit it yet. Have we? No, we haven't hit 370. No, we haven't. There's no need to spam 375. No giveaway, nothing yet. So, the way this is going to work, right? I'm going to use a partnered program called Wask, just so you know this is legit, right? What I do is, I go to the post, right? So this is the post. Let me open this up. Right, this is the post. I copy the link, right? As you can see, I copied it. I'm going to paste it here, right? And then I'm going to click start. But before I click start, I want to make something clear, all right? In order to win, one, you have to be present, right? You have 30 seconds. I'll give you a little bit longer because YouTube lags, right? You must be present. You must have followed the criteria, right? Because it's going to be set to automatically check for 3 mentions, follow, and you liked. All right? Now, whoever wins, right? Whoever wins, you will get instant access tonight. I will send you a link. You'll get instant access, and then the mentorship will start later on, obviously, right? But yeah, let's get it. It's game time. It's game time. It's game time. Good luck to everybody. As you guys can see, I just copied the link. This is the post that we're going off of. This is the one that you had to enter. Make sure you're following, like, comment, tag 3 friends. Let's go ahead and hit start here. It's going to pull up that post. It's going to show all the criteria, and we're going to get into it, all right? So just so you guys can see, there's no hanky-panky going on here, right? No hanky-panky. Number of winners, it's going to be 1 winner. Number of mentions, a minimum of 3. That was the criteria on the post. You must be following, all right? Now, let's get it. Good luck to everybody. There'll be 1 lucky winner that wins a mentorship along with a funded account. Not none of that prop firm bullshit. Real money coming from my bank account to your brokerage. You give me the wire instructions. It'll be there the same day if I do it earlier enough. If not, it'll be there the next day. All right? If you're a mentee, as I stated, I'll give you straight up cash. And our next mentee meetup, you will be there, all expenses paid. I will fly you out. You'll be able to stay wherever you want to stay. Everything on me, obviously, once we get there, as always. All right? Good luck to everybody. Just want to say thank you guys, all 435 of you guys, for tuning in tonight. It's Sunday, 9 p.m. Some of you guys, I know it's a little bit early, a little bit later. I appreciate every single one of you guys' time. And yeah, man, good luck to everybody. Right? Good luck to everybody. Let's find a winner. Let's find a winner. There's, oh, I don't like these comments. Whoa. 666. Not a fan. Not a fan. So there's 666 confirmed entries. The winner is C_Will80. Let's go pull him up on Instagram. C_Will80. Let's see who this is. Congratulations, C_Will80. It's following. Awesome. The criteria had to be met. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. 30 seconds, brother. 30 seconds. Where you at? C_Will. Where you at? Where you at, man? Where you at? Timer is set. Timer is set. Come on, man. Got 10 seconds. That's crazy. I gave you a chance. I gave you more time too. On to the next Instagram giveaway. Is this the post? I gotta copy it. Oh, good luck again to everybody. C. Wilson? Sorry, man. Sorry. Just blows my mind, you know? Just really blows my mind. Really blows my mind. I swear it does. If I enter a giveaway, right? We're talking about a total, right? I charge $3K for my mentorship. I'm giving you an extra $2K on top. We're talking about a $5,000 giveaway right now, right? Who the fuck is doing that, right? I have a track record for the past 4 years, right? I'm not some fucking random doing a giveaway. We're talking about a $5,000 giveaway. One person tonight is going to win $5,000. My mentorship, which is $3K, and then $2,000 cash to fund your account afterwards. If I had the opportunity to win $5K, I would be there on time waiting. Like, I don't understand. I genuinely don't understand. Am I wrong for that? I mean, this is $5K. Whoever wins gets $5K. Like, I don't understand. Like, who else? There's people out there, like your favorite guru or whoever probably makes 10 times more than me. They won't even give back $100. Every Sunday I give back. I give back continuously throughout the week. Right? And what's more important than the money or the monetary amount is the amount of free game I give. Right? It's insane. It's insane. It's insane. There's people out there with buying Lambos and Ferraris and making $500K a month or $700K a month from the subscriptions, but they don't give back. I just don't understand. I just don't understand. Anyway, good luck to everybody, man. Kind of pissed me off. All right, here we go. You only get one entry, man. I see a lot of you guys are going back to the post and commenting and all that stuff. You only get one entry, right? That's it. So it doesn't matter how many times you comment. As long as you meet the criteria, you have to obviously, look, if you go to the post, right, the criteria was to like the post, make sure you're following, and tag 3 friends, right? If you notice, this is the criteria, right? Number of winners, there's going to be 1. Number of mentions, 3. You must be following, right? So same criteria mentioned in the post. And yeah, second attempt at picking a winner. First one, fumbled, but hey, here we go. Let's get it. 698 now. So you can see a bunch of people just went and entered. Like I said, the timer is set. Right? I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste anybody else's time. It's only fair to everybody. Growth.neverends. I swear this name looks familiar. I swear this name looks familiar. Let me go check my DMs. Growth.neverends. Timer started. I swear this name looks familiar. We're going on 30 seconds here. This is a private account. You got an extra 20 seconds, so time's up. Alrighty, no problem. On to the next. Third attempt. I want to make sure I'm not tripping. Hold on one second. I'm gonna go back and read a little bit. Alright, good luck to everybody. Start again. Yeah, I definitely gave more than 30 seconds, and I said I would because there's a delay, but... Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. It is absolutely insane. Absolutely... Oh, one winner, sorry. One winner, 3 mentions, must be following. Good luck! Third attempt, guys. First 2 winners. Awesome. Yeah. I don't know what to tell the first 2. I'm a little disappointed. But hey, oh good, man. Actually, I'm actually happy, right? Whoever's not here, I wouldn't want them to win, obviously, anyway. So, I want somebody to win that deserves it. Alright, here we go. Third attempt. Let's get it. 719 now. Let's go. Good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Third time's the charm. That's what they say. Third time's the charm. Let's get it. At WHI Wisnay. Timer started. Timer started. I'm looking in the chat. Timer is started. And let's see. That's it. Timer is up. There's like 5 different people that said here before I'd even finished. Shaquille said here. Richard said here. Desi Boy said here. Please do not type here if that's not your name. Thank you. Alright. 4th time's the charm. 4th time's the charm. My man Brett's here. What's good, Brett? It's good. 3rd time's the charm, y'all. Let's get it. Copy it. Dude, it's absolutely insane. Like I said, if I entered a giveaway for $5,000, whatever it may be, right? I would be there on time. Like, I'm literally giving somebody a free mentorship and $2,000 cash. Why wouldn't you be here? Brett, go comment and like, man. Maybe you'll win. That's Brett's luck, man. Brett wins everything. Brett's got that awkward luck. Alright, let's get it, man. Come on. Shout out my man, Brett, yo. Brett the Threat. Here we go. 4th attempt. 4th attempt. Someone said, hey, I've been here. David was not. You haven't been here, bro. I just went to your channel activity. Look at this, y'all. He sent all these messages at the same time. You've not been here, man. I'm sorry. It's just it's the way the cookie crumbles, man. And for you to come in here and act like you're here, that's a little messed up. If you go look at the messages, you just started typing at 9:58. You said, hey, I've been here at 9:58. The last giveaway finished at 9:54. Why are you typing 4 minutes after the giveaway is over? That's not how it works. Did someone tag him and then he came in here? Hold on a second. This is the first time you posted a message, which was 9:58. as your first message at 9:58. That was 4 minutes after the timer was up. You didn't have to be signed in on IG. All you had to do was type in the chat. That's literally it. You had almost a minute to type in the chat after you got selected. I'm sorry, bro. It's just a, you know. Nah, bro. I'm sorry, man. Anybody could have just created an account and said David Wisnot after they found out the Instagram handle. That's not how this works, man. That's not how this works. Sorry, brother. Sorry. I mean, what do y'all think? I'll let the chat decide. I say no. I mean, you messaged 4 minutes after. We'll leave a poll up for 10 seconds. Alright, we'll let Brett decide. Brett, what do you think, man? Shows up 4 minutes too late. What do you think, Brett? I respect your opinion. David, look, bro. There's no hard feelings. There's no hard feelings at all. I would love for you to win. I would, but you just didn't abide by the rules. You know, you've been sitting on this YouTube live the whole time. You know, like, it's not fair to everybody else. You know what I mean? If someone else would have won and they would have said, hey, you know, I've been here the whole time, but I wasn't signed in. That's not fair, man. You know what I mean? It's just not fair. Someone's gonna win. You know what I mean? That's the bottom line. But I don't think that's fair. Yeah, I mean, Brett said the same thing. Re-roll it. You know, I rolled it at 9:54. You got picked at 9:54, right? I gave you extra. It's a 30-second timer. I gave you an extra 20 seconds. I gave you almost a minute, right? All you had to do was type a period in the chat within that time period, and you didn't. You came 4 minutes late, and then you spammed the chat saying, "Hey, I've been here." I'm sorry, dude. It's, you know, you can be mad at me. You can say whatever you want. I'm sorry. You know, I mean, I'll give you, you know, a cash giveaway. That's the best I can do for you. Here, I'll put your name down. You know, I would be upset, you know, if my name got called and you know I didn't meet the criteria. But you know, it's just I'm sorry, bro. I mean, I hope you can understand. I hope everybody else understands. I'm not here not to give out the giveaway. That's why I'm here, right? Gotta keep it moving. Anyway, all right, here we go. All right, here we go. Number of winners: 1, 3. Following control. Let's make this quick and easy. Please, if you are here, make sure you're signed into YouTube. Please, just have something typed in the chat. That's it. That's it. That's it. Alrighty, timer is started. Zay Dinero 7K. This name also looks familiar. Zay Dinero 7K. Alright, timer is started. Ten seconds. Time's up. Did he type? Zay Dinero 7K. He's here. Let me see. Hold on 1 second. No, he did. He said, I'm here. Let's fucking go. Okay, cool. Channel activity. I'll let you guys see as well. He's been here for a long time, too. He's been here for a long time. I'd say this is a good winner. Let's see how many lives he's attended. Can you guys see my screen? You can see he typed right here. This is the channel activity. He's been in here for some time. That's dope. It's a good winner. Congrats, man. Congrats, Zay Dinero. Congrats. Do me a favor and DM me on Instagram right now. Right now. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Congrats. Yeah, he's been around for a while. I'd say that's a good winner. That's a good winner. I'd say that's a good winner. All right, let me get this information input. We'll do one more cash giveaway, and I'm gonna call it a night. All right. Where's the chat at? What's the fam saying, y'all? How y'all feel about it? He's a good winner. It's a good winner. Congrats. Okay, y'all say he's a good winner as well. Awesome. Y'all say he's a good winner. I respect y'all's opinion. Hey, Zay Dinero, please send me a DM as soon as possible. Yeah, I can you not DM me, or I can't DM you. Your account's private. Yeah, no, I can see you. Yeah, you've been here for almost 2 years. What's up, man? Thank you for the support, man. Seriously. Good winner. Awesome. Awesome. All right, let's do one more giveaway to end the night. If anybody has any questions, any concerns, any tickers they want me to check out, feel free to let me know, and we'll get it. All right, last one is going to be command is going to be blah, 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 blah. Let's see. It's going to be Brett. Brett, enter this giveaway. See if you can win. It's going to be Brett. Brett the Threat. There we go. Let me clean this first. There we go. Brett with a capital B. Let's go. Good luck to everybody. Excuse me. Brett the Threat. Brett the Threat. Congrats, Zay, man. Happy for you, brother. I'll be reaching out to you ASAP. And we're going to get it, man. Let's get it. Alrighty. Good luck to everybody. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And side note, the reason I'm wearing a hat is because I thought I had a haircut appointment on Saturday, but I definitely didn't book it. So, you know, that's why I'm wearing a hat. Can't be down bad, you know? It just can't be down bad. It just doesn't happen. Elzo Max. 30 seconds, man. Come on. Come on with it. Elzo Max. Elzo Max? Elzo Max. Elzo Max. Elzo Max. Elzo Max. Elzo Max. Well, Wilma Carlito, what are you saying? The first thing you typed tonight was what? I don't know what you're typing about. Bow. He typed. He's good. I appreciate you guys for helping me out because the chat moves and it's delayed and everything like that. So I appreciate that, y'all. Alrighty, guys, that's going to wrap up tonight. I'm going to take a couple seconds. If anybody has any questions, wants to look at any charts, whatever the case may be, I'll take another 5 minutes or so. We'll get to it. Congrats to Terrane, Mr. Moose, and Elzo. Won them some cash tonight. And big shout out to Zay Dinero, man. He's been supporting for the past 2 years. He's attended almost every live. I would say that's a good winner. That's a good winner. Did he type or no? He had to have typed it. Turned green. No, he spammed it like 5 times. He's good. He typed it like 5 times. He's good. All angles. Whatever you want to know. What do you want to know about the mentorship? I got a couple moments. What do you want to know? Yeah, full details. Click the link that's pinned. And yeah, I mean, I can create. Oh, man, you guys are killing me, man. Oh. William, I'm not sure. You might have a different name than I'm not sure. Shoot me a DM, Wilma. We'll get a situation. I'll go back and rewatch it. If so, then we'll work it out for sure. I'm fair, man. Anybody knows me, I'm very fair. 100%. Coin, yeah, we'll check out Coin real quick. Coin. Chart is parabolic. Okay, one question. I'm gonna be mad at you guys too. I'm gonna be very mad at you guys. We talked about this coin swing for 3 weeks straight. Please, for the love of everything, tell me that you guys caught this swing. Please. We caught 70% on equity. We're talking about a 70% equity move. 70%. Options were thousands of percent. I sold early on the options, obviously. I think on the option side, I cost like 150%. It ran like 4,000%. But please tell me you guys caught this. This is where I told you guys to get in Coin. Literally at the bottom. Just a classic break and retest. We talked about it for literally 3 weeks straight. It was on every Sunday watch list. Fucking amazing. Right? Fucking amazing. Excuse my French. I mean, on equity, on Coin, I made 17K on Coin equity. In literally 14 days. I think it was like 14 days. That's how long the swing was. Let me see. Could have been wrong here. I think it was like 14 days. Yeah, exactly. 13 trading days. Beautiful. Beautiful. Setups like this, it's just like once in a year type setup. Like just if you guys want to know what an A plus swing setup looks like, this is it. Right? Like this is the definition of an A plus swing setup. You got the 0.5 retracement. Like I'm gonna break it down for you guys. You got that previous support, turn resistance, held as resistance, broke out, held as support, retested, formed a perfect double bottom. Everything you can think of, just a hands down beautiful swing. You had the 100 MA on the daily, that massive demand, 0.5 retracement, and in terms of the actual technicals, you had a beautiful double bottom, failure to go lower, and then we had a beautiful bullish engulfing off of this demand. Like that is an A plus swing, you know. That's why I went so heavy in it in terms of equity. It was just beautiful. Say dinero, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. I seriously appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank you for taking time out of your night to come kick it with me. Congrats to all the winners. We'll be back at it again on next Sunday. You guys know the vibes, man. Reminder, tomorrow the market is closed, so keep that in mind. Outside of that, yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy your day off tomorrow. I do have some long form content coming soon on YouTube. I have a video on journaling. I have a video on price action. I'll continue posting the short form content if you guys are interested in that. Got another question thing I did. Got a couple more things coming as well, so it should be pretty dope. I created a one-time code for this live. It's ending at the end of tonight. So when I leave my computer, that code's gonna be done. Right, like gone. That's the most I've ever given away. I'm considering this the 50K giveaway, just to show appreciation to you guys. So if you guys are interested in my mentorship, click the link at the top. Right, just click the link. Use code now, and yeah, you get lifetime access. You guys know the drill, man. All right. There's only 10 people. That's it. 10 people. That's it. Wait list is over like 500. If you guys use the code now, it separates you from the wait list. That's a direct link. So the way that I personally do it is it goes in numerical order, the way people sign up. But if you use that link right there, that's immediate access. It's capped at 10. So after 10, it'll be shut off. Spots are done. Right? I haven't posted it publicly yet. I'm giving you guys obviously first dibs. I'm going to post it publicly tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Tuesday. Sorry. When I post it publicly, that's when, you know, things get obviously a little wild. But yeah, man, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in tonight. Congrats to everybody once again. Zay Dinero. All I ask is you DM me on Instagram. I cannot DM you because your page is private. Terrane, Mr. Moose, and Elzu Max to get your money, right? To get your money, please. Right? I had people say, "Oh, I can't get a hold of Felony." Well, the reason you can't get a hold of me is I get 1,000 DMs on a daily basis. Listen, okay? I'm not trying to be mean or anything. DM me on Discord. If you can't DM me on Discord, comment on my latest Instagram post. Because if you DM me, it's just going to get lost in a request. Comment on my latest post, okay? That's all you have to do. Comment your Cash App, your PayPal, Zelle, whatever you may use. Preferably Cash App or Zelle, but just comment it, okay? That's it. And yeah, man. And if you're a part of this Minty group, you'll have access technically to the Minty meetup. I'll be posting details on that actually tomorrow. And yeah, everybody obviously at Minty is welcome to go. And yeah, man, let's get it. I always pick. Last time when we went to Miami, I picked 2 people, all expenses paid. That's my way of giving back to my mentees. Fly at least 2 people out, all expenses paid, pay for your flight, hotel, absolutely everything. I'm gonna do the same thing this time. So the next meetup is yeah, we'll get there. Let's get it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Hope you guys have a great night. Once again, thank you. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your day off tomorrow. All right. Peace, y'all.
Stop pointing the finger, start taking some of the blame. Let me put you on game.